Hello, I'm Dave and welcome to Dave's Bikes. So today we're going to be finishing off my Dawes Rocky Trail. So as you can see, the bike's basically built. Just needs a few adjustments, add cables and get it riding. So first of all, I wanted to change the stem. This is a 100mm reach and it's a little bit too long for what I want. So we're changing it out for an 80mm stem. This is a Velo orange coil stem. It has the 31.8mm faceplate clamp, which makes it good for modern bars. However, I'm using a shim for these clunker bars as they are a 25.4mm. I've been building bikes now for a couple of years. It's just my hobby, but I'm trying to use it to fund itself by selling the bikes that I build. This one is for myself, at least for now. But if you know me, you know I don't hang on to things very long, so it'll probably be up for sale at some point in the near future. We're just going to whiz through this bit because my arm got in the way for most of it, so you can't really see what I'm doing, but you get the gist of it. Don't forget to grease your shaft, it means stem. So let's fit this stem and the handlebars. Got my nice crystal bell from Tokyo Bike. And now we've just got to set the handlebar level. Now we're going to set the brake pads. These are Shimano TL4000 brakes. They just work straight out of the box. Very easy to set up. And then the same with the back. Got a little cactus there from the Bike Felix. They're meant for the bosses on down tube shifters, but I found other uses for them. Okay, let's get some cables and housing together so we can get these brakes hooked up. got some nice black braided cable housing. Should suit the frame quite nicely. Quite often V-brakes will need adjusting. You can balance the tension with this screw. You can either add retention to one side or reduce it, just so that the arms pull at the same speed or the same distance. Time to cut the cable. I like to leave it a little long, just so that it tucks in nicely behind the spring. And then now for the back cable, I'm going to route the housing through the frame. Onto the gears now. I'll run the cable through the frame from the shifter. This is a 11-speed micro shift. Probably a bit overkill for this bike. This is my second time using microshift stuff. I have found it to be very good, very easy to set up, very smooth shifting. On to shifting now. As you can see from those first couple of clips, it didn't really do a lot, so I'm just going to add some tension. And now it goes every time. So I've gone for some Ori grips in teal, which I got from the wood cyclery. They match the frame really nicely. Just use a bit of hairspray. Those were the final pieces, so we'll just give it a quick test. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. I'm going to try and do some more videos like this. If you enjoyed it, consider subscribing and stay tuned for more. Let's take a look at the finished product.